This is the Elgato Facecam Neo, the Elgato Easy to Set Up series. So this is their easy to set up webcam. Let's unpack it first and then let's see how it looks like. So we have the stand and the webcam. Cable is attached. Here we go. It says learn and discover more in the box. There's some safety instructions here and a Federal Communication Commission interference statement. That's what's in the box. Let's look at the products itself now. So this is the camera, and here on the top we do have a shutter which opens and closes it. Pretty easy to use. Shows the Elgato logo when it's closed and the camera when it's open. There's an indicator light here for when it's on. A mounted thread underneath here. Elgato logo on the top as well. Opening at the back for the airflow. And it does have a USB-C to connect it to your computer. We have the stand. Screw that underneath here. And now we can just mount that onto a monitor. There we go. Let's see how this looks like, because I think that's what you guys are most curious about, is how this webcam actually looks like. What's the quality of it, right? This is the new webcam. I'm actually using the Neo microphone with it right now too, so that's what you're hearing. I'm using it with the laptop, so this is an all mobile setup. I do have the software open right here. I don't have a 30 or 40 series NVIDIA card here, so I don't have the face tracing on this laptop, but you can also have the face tracing on if you download the NVIDIA software with it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the coloring and stuff so it will look even more pretty. So we can have automatic zoom, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just set it myself. Like that, saturation. See, I like a little bit color. Sharpness. Exposure, let's also just do that ourselves. Shutter speed. What about 120? ISO as low as possible. White balance. See what it feels good. I'm really tan right now, okay? So I'm supposed to be a little bit yellow. I think I like this. I'm a fan of this, guys. I don't know what you guys think, but I'm a fan of this. Let me know what you guys think. What are your favorite settings? I think this looks really good. I think I need to like readjust the sharpness again, because I've been moving. I think it looks really, really good, if you ask me. The colors are popping. Like, if you look at this bouquets, those colors are pretty good. My skin is really tan, so I look a little bit yellow, but that is actually the case. I went to Turkey, I went on a holiday, and I am tan. If you look at my eye whites, they're really white. My teeth are a bit off-white, but sadly enough, that is the truth as well. I would definitely rate this webcam a 9 out of 10. With the Elgato Camera Hub software, you can definitely adjust a lot of things yourself. You can have them on automatic as much as you want. If you don't want to handle anything, you can have everything on automatic. But if you're like me and you want to adjust everything, you can also adjust everything you want. Thank you, Elgato, for giving me this webcam. It's gifted, not sponsored. So thank you so much. If you want to see more gear, I have a playlist up here. If you don't want to miss anything, make sure to subscribe down here. More cool videos up here, and YouTube thinks you're gonna like this video right here. Don't know why, but you're gonna like it. That's what YouTube says. I'll see you there.